Welcome to Viewing File Content. In this video, you will learn how to apply commands that operate on files to view the contents of a file in useful ways and determine line, word, and character counts. There are several useful commands for viewing file content. To begin with, you can use the cat command to print the entire file to standard output. Suppose your current directory contains a single file called numbers.txt, which you can see by entering the ls command. To print the contents of this file to standard output, you can type cat numbers.txt, which produces the output shown here, consisting of the numbers 89 through to 99. You can see that the output takes up the entire terminal window. The file is much longer than the 12 lines you see here, and for this reason, you might not always want to use cat to view contents. Thankfully, there are alternative commands for cases such as these. The more command allows you to view a file's content in a page-by-page format. By entering more numbers.txt, you see the numbers 0 to 8 on page 1 as shown. By page, we just mean the current terminal window. If you expand your terminal window vertically, you also increase the page size. And when you click the spacebar, you will see the next page, which displays the numbers 9 through 17. Entering Q quits the more program and returns you to the command prompt. You can use the head command to print the first 10 lines of your file. Entering head numbers.txt returns the first 10 lines or the numbers 0 through 9 as shown. You can specify the number of lines you would like head to return using the -n option. By entering head -n 3 numbers.txt, you get back the first 3 lines of numbers.txt as 0, 1, 2. The tail command is used to print the last 10 lines of a file. Entering tail numbers.txt returns the last 10 lines of numbers.txt, namely the numbers from 90 through to 99. Just like with the head command, you can use the -n option to change the number of lines returned. By entering tail -n 3 numbers.txt, you get back the last 3 lines of numbers.txt, 97, 98, and 99. You can use the wc command to count the number of characters, words, or lines in your file. Imagine you have a file called pets.txt. Entering cat_pets.txt shows that the file contains the word cat or the word dog on each line. By entering wc pets.txt, you get the result 7728 pets.txt, which means that your file contains 7 lines, 7 words, and 28 characters. But 7 times 3 is 21, so why does wc see 28 characters? Because it also counts new line characters. You can't see them there, but there are 7 new line characters, one of which represents end of file. To view only line count, you can use the -l option, which returns 7 pets.txt. And similarly, to view only word count, you can use the -w option. And to view only character count, you can use the -c option. In this video, you learned how to apply the cat, more, head, and tail commands to view file contents in multiple ways, and determine the line, word, and character count of a file using wc.